Have you been asking yourself why does your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting after few minutes of inactivity? And when you try reconnecting it does not? Well, I may have figured out what causes this disconnection, and how to fix it. Watch till the end if you would like to know how. When you aren't using your laptop, the computer turns off a device that enables you to have Wi-Fi by default. It does so, to save on power. A plan called power management. All you need to do is to disable this feature. To do that, follow me. I hope you appreciated the know-how. Feeling thankful. Goodbye.